Hey everyone, this is the second and final part of our beginner series number 2A, and we'll start from where we left. In the beginner series number 2A, we created this part using a reference image, and we'll be starting off from here and we'll be completing this in this tutorial, in this final part of this tutorial. Okay, so let's get to our reference sketch. Okay, in the last tutorial we created this bottom part of this bottom portion of this 3D model using the sketch, the top sketch. Now we'll be creating this upper portion using this reference drawing. So let's get to it. First let's see, let's study the dimensions. It's really important to know how to study the drawing to create a part accurately. So as we can see here, the total height of this part from the top to the from uh, from here to here is 60 millimeters. So and the distance from here to here is 62, the diameter 62 millimeters from here to here. So we'll be starting off with this 62 millimeters diameter. So let's get to it. We'll be learning some new features because we are not drawing this from the 2D sketch. Now we'll be using a 3D board as a reference to draw our the remaining part, the upper portion. So there'll be some new features and some new commands that we'll be learning today. So let's just get to it. Okay, now we need a circle of 62 millimeter diameter, 62 diameter, which is this the as you can see here. So let's get to it. So as we started by choosing planes. Now we won't be choosing the planes because we have a 3D model here. So we'll use the 3D model as a reference or a plane to create the sketch. Okay, just click on the top surface of this 3D part and you'll see an option of sketch here. Just click on it and select normal tube. Okay, so as I have explained and repeatedly told you before that we need to create the sketch from the origin point always. So let's select the circle. Okay, we have selected the circle now, and from the origin point we will be drawing a rough circle and just hit escape to exit the circle command. Now we'll be dimensioning it according to the reference image we have here. It says 62 millimeters dia. Okay, just hit 62 and hit enter. Okay, now we have our circle here we'll be using the extrude command here. Just hit escape and go to features, and you select the extruded boss base. Okay, right. So as we can see here, it's 60 millimeters from the top up till here. So we'll just type 60 and hit enter. Okay, now select OK and exit the command. Okay, now let's see what else we have here. Okay, so there's a chamfer uh, of 30 degrees at 30 degrees angle. So this will be a new feature we'll be exploring. So I'll be explaining it in a bit. Okay, in this feature tab, you can see here there's an option of a fillet, but we don't need a fillet, we need a chamfer. So just click on the drop down menu and you'll see a chamfer feature here. Just click on it. Now it says chamfer parameters, so we need a chamfer on this edge. Just left click on this. Okay, so it's been selected. Now we need to define the distance and the angle we need. So it says that the distance here is 12 millimeter and the angle is 30 degrees. So at this distance, we'll just type 12 and hit enter. And at the angle, it's already at 30 degrees. But if it's not, just select it and hit 30, hit OK. Okay. So the distance is 12 millimeter and the angle is 30 degrees. As we can see here, 30 degrees angle and 12 millimeters distance. Okay, so just hit OK. So now we have our chamfer here. Now as we did before, by selecting this surface as our sketching plane, as a sketching surface, we'll be selecting this top part of this portion. Just click on it and select sketch and hit normal to. Okay, so it says here that there's a hole of distance of a depth of 26 millimeters and a 40 millimeters diameters here. So just select on left click on the circle and draw a rough circle from the origin point and select dimensions. It's 40 degrees, sorry, 40 mm diameter here. So we'll just select it and hit 40, hit and OK. So now we have a circle, 40 diameter circle here, and we need to cut this up to 26 millimeters. So we'll just hit OK and exit the sketching feature here, and we'll go to the features tab and we will be selecting extruded cut. Okay, just click on it, and now it says that it's been cutting up to 60 millimeters. But okay, so we'll be dimensioning it at 26 millimeters. Okay, so just select OK. Okay, so now we have our cut of 26 millimeter depth as in the reference sketch. Now there's another hole, as you can see here, and its diameter is 25 millimeters, and it's been passing through all. So let's try to draw it again. We'll be selecting this one to this surface to sketch. Just click on it and select sketch and select normal too. Okay, the diameter of this is 25 millimeters. This internal hole is 25 millimeters. So we'll be drawing a circle of 25 millimeters dia. Okay, just dimension it at 25 and hit OK, and select OK and exit the dimension feature here. Again, go to the features command and select extruded cut. Now we need to cut it through all. So from here at the direction portion here, you can see there's blind and there's a drop down option available, so we'll just click on it and we will choose through all. Okay, now we'll have a cut through all of the part here, so select OK. Okay, so now we are pretty much almost done. Now there's another new feature that I'll be trying to explain, and it's a reference geometry feature. And as in the starting as in the starting tutorials, we used the basic planes, the front plane, top and the right plane. But now we'll be creating a plane for as per our need, because we need to create a hole here. Okay, as you can see here, there's a hole here and we don't have an option available for the plane here. So we'll be creating our plane as per our need. It's not complicated, it's quite basic. I'll just try to create that in a moment. So just as you're in the features tab, just click on reference geometry and select plane. So it'll ask for the references. First of all, we'll choose this cylindrical upper portion as a first reference. So just click on it. Okay, as you can see, it's proving a plane here. You have a preview here. Now at the second reference, as we don't need a plane here, we need this at aligned to this on this side of the cylinder. So for the second reference, just go here on this arrow and click on it. We'll be using the front plane. Okay, so the second reference is the front plane, and the first one was the face that we need to create it a hole onto. So now we have a plane here and we can draw a circle, a hole we need aligned to this side, and its diameter is 6 mm. Now let's get back to it. Okay, as we have a plane aligned as per we need, so just it's fully defined. Just select OK and you'll exit it. Now this is a plane that we have created as per our need, this is not the basic plane that are available by default, but these planes are used to when you need to create something as per your need. So just click on this plane and select sketch, and again select normal too. Now let's see. Okay, so it says that from the top of this surface and up till the center of this hole, there's a distance of 52 millimeters here. So we'll be just drawing a reference line or a center line. So for that, we'll just go to the line feature and select the drop down menu and select center line. Okay, and from this center of this upper surface, we'll just draw a line, and just a rough line. You can draw it anywhere. We'll be dimensioning it, and so, as it says in the reference image here, that from the top to the center of this hole it's 52 millimeters. So we'll just type 52 and hit enter. Okay, so now we have our reference point here. Just hit escape and exit the dimensioning feature and select the circle, and from this point we'll just draw a circle, a rough circle, as we always do, and we'll dimension it later. Now as we have our rough circle here, we'll choose smart dimensions, and as in this reference drawing, it says that its diameter is 6 millimeters. So we'll just select the circle and type in 6 here and hit enter. Okay, so we have a circle here. We'll just close this dialog. Okay, so we are pretty much done here. Now again we'll go to the features tab, and we'll use extruded cut. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so as you can see that the hole is passing through the wall of this, the internal wall, but as in the reference sketch, it's up to this line here. So for that, there's another option available, which is when you go to the direction, just select the drop down menu, and you'll select up to the next. Okay, so now it'll be created, the hole will be created up to the next surface, which is this cylindrical surface here. Okay, so just select OK. Now let's see, just click on this plane, left click on this plane and hide it. Okay, so we have our part created here, as in this reference drawing. Okay, so if there's any problem, you can ask freely in the comment section. So it's finalized, as you can see here. Thank you for watching, and keep on learning. And if again there's any question, or you're facing any problem, you can feel free to mention the problem in the comment, and I'll try to answer that as soon as possible.